Nama. So I just had a great idea. Dewa is camping with her mom, and I think I need to go big tomorrow. I'm gonna ride my mountain bike from here, river path, Durango, and the camera's kind of crooked, so maybe I'll just do this. Anyway, I'm gonna ride my mountain bike from river path like 1 billion miles up into the La Platas, and then I'm gonna switch to running Cumberland Peak. It's gonna be huge. Great idea. And when I had this great idea, I thought, you know what? I better call my friend Karma from the Himalayan restaurant. Those of you that are coming to do a holistic fitness intensive with me or just visiting Durango, we're gonna eat, and you're gonna eat at Karma's Himalayan restaurant. This is Sherpa stew. This is what Karma cooked for himself and the clients that he used to lead in the Himalayas. Update from Animas Overlook. Animas Overlook is one of the benchmarks here on Junction Creek Gravel Road. The hollowed Junction Creek Gravel Road even did a vlog on the legacy of the training that takes place here from Durango's elite runners, cyclists, skiers. In fact, I'll try to remember to put it right up there. Doing pretty good, 1 hour and 46 minutes. I'm about 11.3 miles into what's gonna be like a 26-mile mountain bike climb from my house. Two hours, 25 minutes, 15.39 miles. Doing pretty good, feeling okay, saving the legs as much as possible. Heart rate 140. And remember when we were training Dewa for her mile, her time mile, and we came up with splits to make sure she didn't go out too fast? So that was like a yang effort. She ran fast and furious, very yang. Multi-hour workouts, multi-hour races, they require the same pacing philosophy, but it's very much more yin. You have to save gas in the tank because who knows what's gonna happen. Still got a long way to go. We got to go all the way around Red Hill, Monument Hill, and then the Colorado Trail will be hopefully right there. Three hours, 23 minutes, 23 miles, 0.31. 3.5 hours in the legs, and now I've got a 7-mile big peak run. You know, I haven't had my brain examined, at least professionally, and at 58 years old doing this stuff, I think maybe that would be a wise idea. Okay, I'm gonna ride the single track up a little bit, stash the bike, and switch sports, because that's what we do in holistic fitness. We just switch and dance among the sports that we love. This group of Engelmann spruce are some of the oldest in Colorado. These guys are minimum 600 years and perhaps even older. God, nature's amazing. Hope you're enjoying the footage. So I'm breaking this gargantuan mission down into 4 sections. One was the bike up, mission done. Task 2. Run the peak up. That's what we're doing now. And then run down and bike down. So you have to break big projects down into smaller head walls. Junction Creek drainage, my childhood drainage. Old Muldoon boarding house. This is the world's highest double cedar. Oh, that's right. Made it to the final east shoulder to the summit. Task 2 done and delivered. Summit of Cumberland. Right there's Durango. 4.5 hours, almost to the T. It's time for me to pack up the cameras and take off. Dewa, Grandma, this one's sent for you. Who needs a car? Ride from town, dude. Come on.
I'll give you something real. Show me what you really feel. Don't let time get away from us.
Mama. Don't know where I am. This is Sanders' idea. It's the day after my big day. So, looking for a little active recovery hike, jog. But we're somewhere around Over, Colorado. And it's beautiful. think we're looking for waterfalls. Let's see if we find them. We got waterfalls, baby. We got not one waterfall, we got 3. GoPro's not gonna pick it up, but they're up in that beautiful basin. How beautiful is my big backyard. So blessed, so blessed.